Still spending hours on photo shoots and reshoots? Struggling to keep your campaigns consistent? What if your images and videos could match your brief perfectly, keep character consistency, and render in minutes? My name is Daniel, and today I want to introduce you to the latest Seedream and Seedance models. I've created this video in partnership with BytePlus. So first we'll take a look at what this platform is all about, and then I'll generate stunning images for different business purposes and test visual consistency. In the second part, I am going to break down the Seedance platform. We'll build short videos with multi-shot prompts, smooth camera moves, and emotional storytelling. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. And now, let's dive in! Alright folks, let's talk about BytePlus. It's a practical, production-ready ecosystem designed for real-world projects. You get access to models, SDKs, and APIs, plus all the tools and infrastructure you need. With them, you can go from quick tests to fully deployed workflows. The idea is simple: you want creative power that looks great, but also runs reliably and securely. BytePlus gives you that: modern models and strong safety measures, so your team can scale with confidence. To access the platform, you either need to create an account, or if you already have one, click Sign In. After that, enter your credentials. You can use your Google account or any other email. Then click the three lines in the upper left corner and select Model Art. Next, guys, just open the Media section. This is where you'll find tools for generating AI videos and images. Alright, my friends, let's talk about the best text-to-image AI model according to the Artificial Analysis Benchmark. This next-generation image model brings together impeccable image creation, multi-reference fusion, and single-image editing. Another thing that puts it apart is subject consistency. This is a huge win if you need a character, model, or product to look the same across an entire campaign. Next, guys, it offers multi-reference generation. You can include up to 10 references in your prompt, and Seedream blends them with your text guidance. Lastly, there's the quality and speed side. Seedream supports 4K output, so you can go straight to campaign-ready visuals. It also lets you explore creative stylizations, from clay renders and 3D pixel art to impressionist paintings and comic book looks. The model is huge, folks, and it's already proven its superiority in global rankings. So now let's see how it works with some real examples. To do this, go to the BytePlus homepage and find the products on the top. Select Seedream to access the 4.0 version. Next, click Try and Playground to reach the Experience Center. Now, guys, you can enter your prompt. For now, I'd like it to generate a photorealistic image of a model walking down the street. A medium shot with a slightly blurred background. Adjust the settings and send the prompt. The Seedream model works incredibly fast. And here we go. You can see a stunning high-quality image. The girl is wearing a green dress. The camera angle is exactly as requested, and the background is softly blurred. Folks, I want to point out not only the impressive quality of this image, but also the incredible speed at which the AI works. It's faster than anything I've seen on the market. For example, if you create listings for marketplaces and need lots of product images, like clothing or anything else, Seedream can help. It saves you a tremendous amount of time. Now let's try a slightly different scenario. I'll upload the image with the model I generated and ask the AI to zoom in and create a side view. What I want to test, guys, is how well Seedream handles character consistency. Again, just a few seconds, and here we see the same face. It's shot from the side with the camera zoomed in. Let's compare it with the previous image. And yes, it's clearly the same girl. All facial features match perfectly. I must say, this model handles consistency remarkably well. Let's move on and look at another business case. Let's say you own a beauty salon and need to create a poster with specific text for your social media. You don't want to spend a fortune on design, so you just describe your idea in plain language. Now let's see how Seedream handles text rendering. This is usually a tricky task for many image generation models. I'll paste in the prompt, specify all requirements, including the name, slogan, and other important details. Now I'll set the aspect ratio and click Generate. Just a few moments later, we get a beautiful poster on a marble background. The salon name is rendered perfectly, even with the grave accent over the letter E. A lovely model, all the benefits are clearly listed: gel manicure, 20% off, and there's even a QR code. What can I say, my friends? You can now save hundreds of dollars on design work. Instead, just generate all your social media visuals or even print materials right inside Seedream. Next, let's explore the final use case for this model. I know many of my subscribers create and sell children's books on Amazon, and for that they need lots of illustrations. Hiring illustrators is expensive, and many AI models struggle with character consistency. So let's test this one. I inserted a prompt and specified that it's an illustration for a children's book. Then I set the aspect ratio and 4K resolution. The result I got is a bear wearing a striped shirt and a hat, sitting at a computer in an office. Earlier, I generated an image of the same character walking to work. He is wearing a yellow coat, the same shirt, and the same hat. In the new picture, that yellow coat now hangs on the hanger, so every detail lines up perfectly. So, my friends, this model lets you create children's books with vivid recurring characters that bring the story to life. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Okay, now let's switch gears to video and dive into Seedance 1.0. This model takes text or image prompts and turns them into studio-grade 1080p videos. They feature smooth motion, rich detail, and multi-shot storytelling. Most text-to-video tools try to generate one long continuous shot, but that usually ends up looking unnatural and repetitive. Seedance, on the other hand, wants you to think like an editor. You can describe multiple shots or transitions, and it stitches everything into one coherent short clip. For example, you can control camera language with push-ins, pans, or slider reveals. The AI also adjusts emotional cues, so faces, posture, and lighting better match the mood of your script. And if you're running a content platform or an agency, you probably know that concurrency is a big deal. In this context, it means the ability to handle multiple requests simultaneously. Seedance can generate multiple videos in parallel, which is perfect for testing creativity at scale. And now, my friends, let's move on to real video creation. We'll start with the text-to-video format. I'll ask it to generate an Instagram reel for a business-related profile. It should look elegant, high-end, and professional. Here we can choose between the Pro and Lite models. I'll go with Pro and set HD quality, with an aspect ratio of 9:16 for vertical format. Duration is 10 seconds, and now we click Generate. It's a relatively long clip, so we wait a few seconds for it to render. And here it is. A businessman steps out of a luxury car and walks toward his private jet. Folks, I have to say the quality is simply amazing. If no one told me this was AI generated, I wouldn't have guessed. The face looks natural, the lighting is realistic, no artifacts, everything looks top-notch. So if you need to create reels for any social media platform, you can generate videos like this, add subtitles or voiceovers, and scale up content production. With Seedance, it's faster and cheaper than ever before. Next, let's test the image-to-video mode. I'll upload the photo we generated earlier. It's the model in a green dress. And now I paste a prompt saying that she should walk forward while her facial expression changes from surprise to smiling. At the same moment, the camera is slowly zooming in. I tweak the settings and click Generate. So, let's see the result. And it looks exactly like what I wanted to get. I must admit, my friends, that Seedance is known for its ability to understand emotions and generate subtle emotional transitions. You can use it to create stories and narratives, because its accuracy is truly impressive. And for the final test today, guys, we return to the text-to-video tab. I want to create a short sequence showing coffee beans being roasted, then ground, and finally turning into a cup of aromatic cappuccino. Set the duration to 12 seconds. And to speed up the process, choose 480p quality. Now let's click Generate and wait for a couple of moments. And here it is, coffee beans roast in a pan, then move into the grinder. Finally, we see a beautiful latte art design. It's so realistic, like it was filmed with a real camera. Alright, my friends, our use cases are proving these models can be applied across countless industries. If you're in beauty, retail, or creating e-commerce listings, you'll definitely find them useful. And that's not even mentioning social media content creation. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Alright, folks, if your work depends on content speed, And brand consistency. You might want to make Seedream and Seedance your go-to models. Seedream stands out as one of the few image models that treats series consistency like a core feature. Meanwhile, Seedance brings cinematic quality to your AI videos, complete with emotional cues, camera movement, and frame control. So guys, if you're exploring the edge of automated content creation, these tools deserve a spot on your shortlist. Once you try them, share your opinions in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.